So guys, welcome to the second module of this tutorial. So in this tutorial, shall be learning on how to use heading, paragraph, bold, italic, semantic markup and structural markup. So let's get into it. So for the heading, HTML has 6 levels of heading. We have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. H1 is used for the main heading, while H2 is used for subheading. Browser displays the content of headings as different sizes. The content of H1 element is the largest, and the content of the H6 element is the smallest. The exact size at which each browser shows the heading can vary slightly. User can also adjust the size of text in the browser. You will see how to control the size of text, its color and fonts used when we look at CSS. So by the time we get to the CSS, we'll show how we can control the text and size of the color the more. So but for now, let's just start from the H1 tag. So you just come here to our browser, you come here, so you type in H1, so you hit enter. So here just type this is the main heading. So H2 again, hit enter. This is the level 2 heading. So you come here again, H3, just hit enter. So let's copy what we have right here and then put it inside. Copy, we come here, we paste. So we come to this side again, H4, we hit enter, we paste what we have inside again. So we come right here again, we put H5, we hit enter, so we paste what we have inside again. We come here again, H6, we hit enter, we paste what we have inside. So all we just have to do is to save, Ctrl S, then we come right over here. You can see now, you can see what we have. This is the main heading, this is the level 2 heading, level 2, level 2. So we can just decide to change this place 3, change this 4, we change this 5, we change this 6, and then we save. So you can see the output we have. This is the main heading, level 2, level 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is the different variation of how the tags display the text. So you see that H1 is the biggest, largest, while H6 is the smallest. So that's that for that. So let's just move to another section of the tutorial. So the paragraph. So paragraphs are created with the p tag. To create a paragraph, surround the words that make up the paragraph within an opening p tag and closing p tag. By default, the browser will show each paragraph on a new line with some space between it and any of the subsequent paragraphs. So by the time we copy what we have here from this opening p tag to this closing p tag, is what is inside this tag and closing. That is what we display on our browser. So let's just put that into practice now. So let me come here, we'll come right over here. Right now I want to talk about paragraphs. So you just type in paragraphs, so let's just save. So you can see paragraph showing right there. So to type in paragraph, you just type in the p tag, you put p, then you hit enter. So you want to put a dummy text there now, just type in lorem on your VS Code, type in lorem, then you hit enter. So by the time you hit enter, it will auto generate a dummy text for you, but you can see that the text has occupied your screen. You can't see what we are writing again. So you go to your keyboard and press Alt Z. Alt Z is for word wrap. Just press Alt Z, so it will bring the text back to normal. So again, we want to type in lorem again so that we will have a lot of text. So type in lorem again. So you can see now that the text are now merged. So we will save now. So you can see by the time we come here, this is a paragraph now. This is H1 to H6 for this section. This is the paragraph. So if you want to create a paragraph, you use the p tag to do it. If you want to create an heading, you use h tag to do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this section of this tutorial. that will be all for this video. We'll continue in the next session. So if you like this video, as usual, give me a like so that YouTube will recommend it to a lot of people. Like, subscribe, share, and let me know what you feel about the tutorial, what I'm to do, what you expect me to do, or what question you have concerning the tutorial.